It is a place unlike any other. Located in the heart of one of the most biodiverse ecosystems on the planet, Ecuador's Yasuni National Park is rich with extraordinary wildlife and vibrant local culture. Spanning nearly 2.5 million acres of Amazonian rainforest, this is truly a gem to be cherished. And the Napa Wildlife Center, the only lodge within Yasuni National Park boundaries, can take you there. From Quito Airport, a private jet ferries passengers over stunning Ecuadorian landscapes to Coca, a small town located at the western edge of Yasuni along the Napa River. In a motorized canoe, visitors enjoy a comfortable and scenic river ride down one of the Amazon's major tributaries. Arrival in Yasuni National Park is just the beginning of what will be an incredible journey. Paddles replace motors as the channel narrows and the canopy thickens. The Blackwater Creek snakes deeper and deeper into the Yasuni forest until the trees part to reveal an oasis in the jungle, the Napa Wildlife Center, a luxurious Ecolodge buried within the Amazon. Upon arrival, guests are greeted by friendly Napa staff. Their hospitality is typical of the local Quechua Anyangu community that both owns and manages this award-winning ecotourism project.
It's actually really hard to decide what's the greatest part about being at Napa. We're here on our honeymoon, so it's an incredibly romantic place. We have a wonderful room that's overlooking the water. All we see is this lake. It just takes you completely outside of your day-to-day, what you think the world is like. A completely different experience. We went on a nighttime hike, which was just phenomenal. I'm afraid of spiders, and I couldn't believe I went out and did that, but it was just completely mind-blowing.
With 82 square miles of rainforest in its backyard, the Napa Wildlife Center boasts numerous attractions, starting with unrivaled access to a wide selection of wildlife. In 2009, the Rainforest Alliance honored the Napa Wildlife Center with its Sustainable Standard Setter Award in recognition of the center's leadership in conservation and community development. Canoe tours provide guests with front-row seats to a spectacle in ecological diversity. With a cast of over 500 species of birds and 11 species of monkeys, this is a Mother Nature performance at its best. guided hikes and 2 canopy towers provide yet another venue for breathtaking wildlife viewing.
Got amazing views over the treetops, the canopy. We've seen lots of birds.
Lots of birds, yeah.
What have we seen? Macaws?
Toucans.
Toucans, yeah. The guides are fantastic. They're really enthusiastic and they've got amazing eyes. I don't know how they spot what they spot. It's just everything is camouflaged, and as soon as they point you in the right direction, it's just incredible what they can see.
With 2 easy-to-access clay licks, guests can observe dozens of parrots and macaws going about their daily eating and socializing rituals. And then they enjoy a delicious meal in the Napa dining hall. Each of the 12 individual cabins has its own private deck with a lakeside view. The cozy amenities invite guests to feel safe and at home in this jungle haven. During their stay, guests are assigned 2 guides. One, a formally educated naturalist, and the second, a member of the Quechua-Anyangu community, an expert in local traditions and history. Visitors not only have the opportunity to get to know the local Quechua people, but they leave Napa knowing that their dollar will go back into the community to help improve the education system and expand the local health clinic. A sustainable and bottom-up community development program, the Napa Wildlife Center is ecotourism at its finest.